Let's have a look. What is given? Here the figure is given, as you can see ABC, and you can see here mentioned in the question that ACD, here clearly mentioned, see here. They are given ACD is an exterior angle. They have given ACD is what? It's an exterior angle, right? So we know which property you will use. You will use remote interior angle again, right? We have to find out what we have given. देखो, we have given angle B, angle A or angle B दिया है. We have to find this ACD. We have to find what? ACD. So it is very simple for us, ACD. Na, remote interior लगा दो. Okay. So what will be the remote interior angle? See here. I am showing the slide now. See. Solution. First step. Angle BAC is 70 degree and angle ABC is 40 degree. See, they have given angle A. So angle A को we can write in the three terms. Three alphabets I showed you how to write. एक एंगल को तीन नाम से कैसे लिखना है. Angle A को we can write angle BAC also. That's was 70 degree. Similarly, angle ABC यानी कि angle B कितना है 40 degree. So angle B how can write? Angle ABC. Yes. So we have to find next step. Angle ACD is the exterior angle of triangle ABC. As I have discussed in the earlier slide only. ACD is what? It is the exterior angle. Okay. जो स्टेप बता रहा उसी को फॉलो करो गाइस. हम A लिखे क्या, हम B लिखे क्या, वो मत पूछो. जो स्टेप्स फॉलो करना है वही स्टेप्स को फॉलो करो. ACD is the exterior angle of triangle ABC. Next, as you are aware, remote interior angle is what? Yes, angle ACD equals to angle BAC plus angle ABC. Yes, हमने डिस्कस किया था ना. Yes or no, students? Angle ACD equals to this angle plus this angle ना. So that's what I have written here. देखो यहाँ पर मैंने वही लिखा हुआ. Okay. Next part. Now what is ACD? We don't know ACD. So write as it is. ACD equals to what is BAC? Yes, BAC is 70 degree plus what is ABC? ABC is 40 degree. Okay. So what will be the ACD now? 70 plus 40 क्या होगा? Yes, students. Yes, exactly. ACD will be 110 degree. Yes or no? So that's it. इतना सही सम था. कितना सिंपल है. प्लस माइनस करना है नहीं. So kindly take the screenshot of this sum, guys, fast. Kindly take the screenshot of this sum. Fast. Done? Yeah, only have to apply the theorem. Got it till here? Okay. 2 and 3 is Janvi. I think your network issue is there. Daily you are telling the same thing that your voice is breaking. Guys, am I properly audible? Janvi, might be your surrounding issue will be there. Okay, next sum now. Okay, fourth sum we will see. Now see here carefully. Yeah, ध्यान से देखो अच्छे से. What is the question? First see the question. The measure of one of the angle of a triangle. Let's see. The measure of one of the angle of a triangle. एक triangle है. One of the angle is twice the measure of smaller angle. One of the angle is twice the measure of smaller angle. Okay, and the measure of other is twice the measure of smallest angle. ध्यान दो, उन लोग ने क्या बोला है. सवाल सुनो. एक एंगल है ट्रायंगल का जो ट्वाइस है स्मॉलेस्ट एंगल का, और एक एंगल है ट्रायंगल का वो थ्राइस है स्मॉलेस्ट एंगल का. बट वी डोंट नो स्मॉलेस्ट एंगल. क्या मुझे पता है स्मॉलेस्ट एंगल क्या है? नहीं. सो आई विल राइट स्मॉलेस्ट एंगल एज x. I will write smallest angle as x. Yes or no? We don't know the smallest angle, right? So we will assume let smallest angle be x. So if I will take this x, एक को मैंने x दिया. So what will be the other angle? Other angle is twice the smallest number. ध्यान से देखो. Other angle will be twice the smallest. Twice the smallest मतलब 2x. Got it till here? Other will be twice. And next will be thrice the smallest number. That will be 3x. Yes, we have got all the three angles. Yes or no? First angle will be x, second angle will be 2x, third angle will be 3x. Okay for you? And we have to find now all the angles. हमको यहाँ पर angles निकालना है. Okay guys? Is it okay for all of you? Yes or no? Let me know chat box. Yeah. So let's begin now with the sum. How we can write this? Yeah. Let the measure of smallest angle of a triangle be x degree. First we will take smallest angle as x. Then what will be the remaining angles? Yes, you are right. 2x and 3x. See here, next slide. The measure of the other two angles of a triangle are 2x degree and 3x degree. Yes, yes or no? So we have three angles now, x, 2x and 3x. Next step. Yes, I have told you the first theorem. We will add all the angles. So x degree plus 2x degree plus 3x degree is what? 180 degree. What will be the reason? I have told you now. Sum of the, yes, measure of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degree, right? So you will add up. So x plus 2x plus 3x kitna hoga? X plus 2x plus 3x is how much? 6x. So see here, 6x equals to 180, yes or no? Right? So what will be the x? X equal to 180 by 6. X equals to 180 by 6. So x will be your 30, yes or no? X will be your 30. Simple. So you got x. What will be the 2x? X तो हमको एक एंगल मिल गया. What will be the 2x? Yes, see here. 2x equals to 2 into 30. That means you will get, yes, you're right, 60. Yes. What about 3x, guys? Yes, 3x means 3 into 30. 3 into 30 means what? Yes, you are right, it's 90. So what are the three angles now? 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. Yes or no? So I hope you are very much clear. Yes or no? Any doubt, any shanka, then let me know in the chat box fast. Any doubt, any shanka, then let me know in the chat box fast. Smallest angle, obviously छोटा रहेगा वो. No doubt, no shanka. Okay, you can take the screenshot of this sum, guys. Fast. Take the screenshot. Can't you take the screenshot fast? Done. So we will do today's last sum. आज का आखिरी sum. आखिरी बूंद जिंदगी की बोलते ना हम लोग, पोलियो का ड्रॉप. तो today's last sum. See here now. आज सब एकदम ठंडे दिख रहे क्यों? और पार्टिसिपेंट भी कम है एकदम. So y will be what? Y plus 100 equal to 180. Linear pair. Y equals to 180 minus 100. So y will be what? Simply 80. Yes or no? Similarly, देखो आप z भी निकाल सकते हो. Z and 140 is in the linear pair again. So z plus 140 is how much? It is 180, right? So z equals to 180 minus 140. So z will be your 40. Yes or no? अभी आपको z मिल गया, y मिल गया, x निकालना क्या मुश्किल है बताओ मेरे को. You will add ना, x plus y plus z equals to 180. Simple sum. You can do. Yes, students. Let me know in the chat box. बहुत simple है. Let's start. Start करते हैं हम लोग. चलो, let's start. See, solution. See, what I have given first point. Angle TEN and angle NEM. देखो यहाँ पर. This is the angles. TEN or NEM. This is the following linear pair, na? So that's why. TEN plus NEM. Guys, whenever the screen is displaying the angles, आपको figure check करना है. खाली एंगल को देखना नहीं है, एंगल फिगर में चेक करना है आपको. TEN और NEM कितना होता है? 180. Okay, it's 1800 printing mistake. Okay, students. So next part. So TEN is how much? 100 plus NEM is how much? Y. Yes or no? Equals to 180. So what will be the y? Y equals to 180 minus 100. Y equals to 180 minus 100. So what you got? Y? Y will be 80 degree. Is it okay for you today? इतना यहाँ से समझ में आ गया ये पार्ट. Y is clear to you guys? Yes, students, fast. हाँ. So y is clear. Now we'll move towards Z. चलो Z के पास आओ. Z का एंगल का नाम क्या है? Yes, EMR and EMN. देखो यहाँ पर ये एंगल है. ये एंगल EMR and EMN. These are the two angles forming the linear pair, right? These are the angles forming the linear pair. So EMR plus EMN is how much? 180 degree. Guys, ये खाली linear pair है. हमने जो पढ़े वही पढ़ रहे हैं हम लोग. आप ध्यान दो, आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. जो हम लोग ने पढ़े वही पढ़ रहे. linear pair है खाली. EMR plus EMN equals to 180 degree. What is EMR? EMR क्या है देखो. EMR is 140 plus. What is EMN? EMN क्या है? Yes, Z equals to 180. So 140 plus Z equals to 180. So what will be the Z? Z will be 180 minus 140. yes or no? आपका ये 140 इधर जाएगा ना राइट तरफ में, so 180 minus 140, so what will be the z will be your 40. So finally you got y as 80 and z as 40. Any doubts still here, then let me know in the chat box. अगर यहां तक कोई डाउट है तो पूछो फास्ट. शुभम, it is clear? Shubham, it is clear? Let me know in the chat box. Yeah, Shubham, it is clear. Okay. So each and everyone clear? Okay. Now we have, दिमाग में रखो, we have y is 80 and z is 40. Now we know x plus y equals to what? X plus y plus z equals to 180. Yes or no? Sum of the measure of all the angles of a triangle is 180. Till here any doubt? Then you have to find x ना. देखो x plus y कितना था? y कितना मिळाले? किती मिळाले तुम्हाला? Yes, y मिळाले मला 80. So I have written 80 plus what is z? Yeah, z is 40 is equals to 180. Okay, so x plus 80 plus 40 कितना होगा? Yes, प्लस माइनस बचपन से पढ़ते आ रहे हैं हम लोग, छोटू थे तब से पढ़ते आ रहे हैं हम लोग. x plus 80 plus 40 कितना होता है? 180. Yes, x equals to 120. तो 180 minus 120 हो जाएगा. 180 minus 120. So what will be your x? Yes, x will be, sir, x equal to 60 degree. x 60 degree. Sir, x नहीं होता है, x होता है वो. सर का वैल्यू 60 डिग्री नहीं है, सर का वैल्यू 90 डिग्री है. हम राइट एंगल. Okay, so x equals to what? It's a 60 degree. जिसकी भी वीडियोस ऑन है, आपका चेहरा इतना उदास क्यों लग रहा है? ऐसा लग रहा है बाढ़ आपके घर पे गिरा है. ऐसा है क्या? पूरा फ्लड आपके घर पे गिरा है क्या पूरा? ओके स्टूडेंट्स, लॉट्स ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स का फेस इतना उतरा हुआ है, बाप रे, ऐसा लग रहा है कि पूरा नहीं, 9वीं का कल के कल फाइनल एग्जाम ले रहा हूं मैं आपका मैथ्स का. इतना उदास लग रहा है आप लोग. डोंट वरी गाइस, क्विज खेलेंगे, क्विज में आपका पूरा सब नहीं, जो भी थकावट दूर हो जाएगा. ओके, सो लेट्स टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट गाइस दिस पार्ट. इसका स्क्रीनशॉट निकाल लो, पहले पार्ट का स्क्रीनशॉट निकाल लो. टेक फास्ट. दिस इज द फर्स्ट पार्ट, टेक द स्क्रीनशॉट. Okay, students. So drop down is going on. Might be possible आपका network issue होगा. Drop down is going on. No, not yet. Quiz has not started, guys. Just I am waiting. Yeah. It's asking ready to play. Now just a moment. When I will start, then only you will get a chance. मैं यहाँ से start करूँगा तभी आपको दिखेगा. Otherwise it will not. So guys, all have joined. I have told you now in the previous lecture also, you have to write the name. Then how we can come to know who is the topper? You can leave and again join with the name. All have joined, guys. मैं start करूँ? Yes, I am starting now, guys. It's okay. जो आया वो आया. Let's begin, guys. Best of luck, all of you. Let's start. As you can see, answers fast to get the more points. Fast. First question. If the two lines containing segment are the perpendicular to each other, then the angle made by them is 0 degree, 90 degree, 60 degree, 45 degree. You have 30 seconds. Fast. You have 30 seconds. Fast. 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 10, 11. Those who are not getting the question, guys, might be a network issue. सबको स्क्रीन पे दिख रहा है क्वेश्चन. 1, 0, time's up. So let's see what is the right answer. Yeah, 90 students have given. 90 is the right answer, and 71 students have given the right, and 7 students have given to 0 degree. 60 degree को 8 जन ने दिए, 45 degree को 3 जन ने दिए. Let's see who have got the right answer. Let's see the leaderboard fast. Who is at the top? Okay, so the topper is 9th B, Smith Wagankar. Oh, बहुत एकदम तगड़ा मुकाबला हो रहा है. स्मिथ और नंदिनी का 2 पॉइंट्स. ओह, नंदिनी के नीचे सुहासिनी 2, 971. बहुत ही तगड़ा मुकाबला हो गया, गाइस. So next question. right? Enjoying the lecture? Let's begin with the next part. Okay, next question now. Question 2. Let's see what is the question. Be ready. If B equals to 4, E equals to -5, find distance BE. B क्या होगा? Fast. 2, 4, 6, 9. You have 30 seconds. Fast. 2, 4, 6, 9. Fast. 2, 4. Don't write the answer in the chat box, guys. हम क्विज खेल रहे हैं, बच्चे चैट बॉक्स में लिख रहे हैं. अजीब है. 2, 4, 6, 9. Fast. 5, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. So let's see what is the right answer. Yes, 55 students have given the 9 is the right answer. 7 students have given 6 is the right answer. 12 students have given 4 is the right answer. 11 students given 2 is the right answer. The answer is 9. Let's see. Who is in the top now? Let's see. Priya, Tirth, Falke, Ashish. Who is in the top? Let's see. Okay, totally different. Leaderboard पूरा change हो गया. Priya is in the top. Tirth, Falke in the second. Ashish Mohiti third. Aditi fourth. Akanksha is in the fifth. So these are the top 5 students. Rest all guys, what you are doing? Fast आ जाओ मैदान में, जल्दी जल्दी जल्दी. Okay, next question. Are you ready, guys? Let's begin. Okay, bingo. Okay, question number 3 of 5. Answer fast to get the more points, guys. Let's begin. Okay, next question. Distance PR is given 12, PQ is given 6, QR is given -5. Check points PQR are collinear or not. So आपका पहला option है true, false, can be both, none of this. अगला प्रश्न 20,000 रुपए के लिए. ये रहा आपका मोबाइल स्क्रीन पर. Okay, again I am sending the link to join. Students fast. 2, 1. Time's up. Let's see what is the final. Okay. ओहो 36 लोगों ने ट्रू बोला था जो कि गलत था. 40 students have marked false and that was the right answer. 10 students will be can be both और none of the this में तो कोई है ही नहीं. Can be both कैसे आएगा students? Who is this 10 students? Okay, let's move. Let's move now. Okay. Okay, leaderboard now. Who will be in top? Again, Priya topped it. Okay, let's see who's in the top. Yeah, exactly. Priya Singh is in the first now. Ashish Mohiti now second. Shivam is in the third. Soumya fourth. Vedant 5. These are the top 5 students. Where are the remaining students, guys? फटाफट जल्दी ऊपर आओ. Top 10 आपको दिख रहा है सामने. मेरे सामने जो है top 10 का लिस्ट है. Let's begin next part. Enjoying ना guys? Yeah. Question number 4 of 5. Let's begin. जल्दी आओ मैदान में फटाफट. Okay, next question. P is 3, T is -4. Find PT. First option is 7, second is 1, third is -1, fourth is -7. Okay, students, let's see who will be cracking this one now. Who will remain top? क्या प्रिया का पोजीशन कोई ले पाता है या प्रिया will be in the top again? Let's see. Fastest finger first. Don't write in the chat box. Time's up. Okay, so answer 7 is right and 44 students have given the right answer. So let's begin. Next question. Oh, फिर leaderboard. Who is in the top now? Leaderboard. Ashish Mohite. Okay, again Priya. Very good. Good consistency Priya. Very good. प्रिया पहले नंबर पर बने हुए हैं. आशीष भी दूसरे नंबर पर बने हुए हैं. वेदांत इज इन थर्ड. आदिति शिफ्ट टू फोर्थ एंड गणेश के क्रैक करके गणेश ऊपर आ गया. ओहो, व्हाट आई कैन सी. श्रीदी भी ऊपर आ चुकी है. सिद्धांत आल्सो इन द टॉप. आस्था आल्सो केम. लेट्स बिगिन. लेट्स सी हु विल बी द क्रैकिंग वन. Next one, guys. If the length of 2 segments are equal, then the 2 segments are. Okay, 1 minute. I think might be possible network issue will be there. Just a moment. Question 5 now. See now. See next question first. P equals to -6, Q equals to 3, then find the distance of PQ. What will be the distance of PQ? 3, 9, -3, -9. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14. Fast students, fast. Crack the result. Priya is still in the top. Fast, fast. Where are the remaining students? 2, 1. Time's up. So let's see how many students are given the right answer. Okay. 44 students are given the right answer. Okay. Let's see now. Okay, now see the leaderboard. Who's in the top? Okay. Who's in the top? Okay. Still Priya is in the top now. First point. And then second is Aditi. Okay. Aditi ने बाजी मार ली, ऊपर आ गई वो directly. Okay. Next one will be Vedant, Sunny again, Sunny Patil, Ganesh Shukla is in the top 5. Okay. Kavita has entered again. Sahil has entered. Tirth has entered. Okay. Next one. Okay, students. So you can see the screen now. This part. The students are entering now. Okay, let's see what is going on. Congruent और supplementary में दोनों का झगड़ा चल रहा है. All had given the answer. I think this question is skipped by somebody. Skip नहीं करना है आपको guys. Okay, students are giving now. Just a moment. Okay, you are not able to see the slide. Okay, this was the final now screen. Let's see who is in the top. Final है ये वाला. देख लो कौन top पे आ गया है. Okay, so Priya is the winner because we have done only the 5 answers, right? So Priya is the winner. Second one is Aditi Durge. Third one is Vedant. Fourth is Sunny. Okay, fifth one is Ganesh Shukla. Okay, students. So let's come to Zoom again. वापस से Zoom में आ जाओ जल्दी. Okay, so enjoyed guys. मजा आया? क्या बोर हो गए? बोर तो नहीं हुए होगे, ये फर्स्ट टाइम आप कर रहे हो, राइट? ये